Welcome to the course on discrete mathematics. In this video, we will see principles of mathematical induction, in which we will see how to prove the inequalities result. This is Dinesh Jende, your course instructor, Department of Information Technology, VPKBIET Baramati. Okay, now let us have a simple problem for proving the inequality. Okay, I'll take this one. Problem number 1. Prove that uh, 2 raised to n is less than n factorial, okay, for all n greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so I think n factorial, I hope you know the operation factorial. So it will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into up to n. Okay. So we have to prove that 2 raised to n is less than n factorial. So this is what is about proving the inequality, and this is specifically regarding the factorial and the exponent. So I start with the solution. Let us say that first of all, let p of n is nothing but 2 raised to n less than n factorial. Okay. So what is the basis step? So the basis step is now n greater than or equal to 4. So the basis step should be 4. Okay. So p of 4 is 2 raised to 4 less than 4 factorial, which is nothing but 2 raised to 4. How much? It is 16 less than 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is going to be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is going to be 16 is less than 4 3 the 12 is 24. Okay, is going to be true. Okay, good. Now let us assume it for the value k. So that is going to be our inductive step. So let us say p of k. What is the equation? 2 raised to k is less than k factorial is assumed to be true. Okay, this is what is inductive. So we'll say it is assumed to be true. Okay, and then what is next that we have to prove? We have to prove for p k plus 1. That is, prove for p k plus 1, which is nothing but 2 raised to k plus 1 less than k plus 1 factorial. Okay, sounds good. Okay, now you know that, look at this, 2 raised to k plus 1 is nothing but what? 2 raised to k into 2. Isn't it? It is with the exponent rule or exponent law. Okay, and as you can see that 2 raised to k, here you have, look at this, 2 raised to k, I hope you can see this, 2 raised to k is less than k factorial, we know. So here you can say that if you have 2 raised to k on this side, you can say that it is going to be less than k factorial into 2. Okay, so I just have replaced this 2 raised to k, this relation. So 2 raised to k is always going to be less than k factorial, that we are assumed to be true. So it is, this equation is going to be less than k factorial into 2. Okay. Now, and since we have assumed for the value k which is always greater than 2. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. So you can say that it is going to be less than k factorial into k plus 1. Okay. This is, I can say, by inductive law or by inductive step. And why I have put k plus 1 here, because you know that 2 is going to be always less than k plus 1. So whatever you add on this side, it is going to be less than this. And since you have k factorial into k plus 1, it is nothing but k plus 1 factorial. Okay. This is what is factorial rule or factorial chain. Okay. And thus you have proved that 2k plus 1 is always less than k plus 1 factorial. Okay. So k factorial means 1 to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into up to k factorial, and into k plus 1 is nothing but k plus 1 factorial. Okay. So hence p of k plus 1 is also 2. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please write your suggestion, queries in the comment box or mail me at dineshjhende@gmail.com. Thank you very much.